Welcome to Choco International. I am Nilama Dojana speaking. This is related data interpretation and logical reasoning. The last presentation before CAT 28 November. Here the budget at a glance 20 and 22. We deliberately avoided budget 21-22 because the data are not confirmed. Confirmed is not actual data, it is budget data. That's why the estimated Indian economy impact by the Corona revised budget 2021. That is more accurate. This is collected from PRS India. Analyze the impact of Corona of Indian economy. What is how the fiscal deficit affected, what the revenue deficit affected, revenue expenditure affected, or the loan was affected. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment. We check the interest payment that is not marginally increased. So whatever deficit is there only due to fiscal deficit, due to increased revenue expenditure, that is the most due to Corona. Now the Corona V-shaped recovery path. Now there is a questions. Here the questions, choose the outer option. If the question can be answered by option A, choose 1. Option B, choose 2. If the question can be answered using either statement alone, choose 3. Choose for the question can answer using the both statement. It's a cricket match, the man of the match award. And here the Biplav Akash the same score, no conclusion possible, but Chirag is out of race. Because one of will get a man of the match, so Chirag is out of race. Statement B, highest number catch taken by Akash. When the score is same, they take the highest number catch. So Akash take the more catch compared to Biplav. So conclusion is still not possible, but combining both A and B, conclusion possible. So option 4 is the correct. 4 friends, A, B, C, D, and got a 4 rank in the competition. Here is A did not get a first, B did not get a second, C did not get a third, D did not get a fourth. But option neither A and D were among the first two. Who is the first two? B and C. The option B, C are the first statement can be give solution. Neither B nor C was in third, fourth. From here you see B did not get second means B is the first, C the second, D the third, A is the fourth. So first statements here both either of the statement give the solution. A can give the solution, B can the solution because it clearly mentioned C, B, C are the neither A nor D were among the first two, which are B and C. But here they mention in the statement they mention B did not get a second. B did not get the B, C are in the first and second position, and B did not get the second. Who get the second? C. B did not get a second. So B did not get a second. B is in the first position, C the second position, D the third position, A in the fourth position. This is as per the statement given. B did not get second. B is in first position, C the second position. What is the statement in statement here? D did not get fourth position. D in the third position. So A in the fourth position. The members of a local club pay 6,000 is a mathematical statement. 600 n minus 5 is equal to 600 n plus 10. N is coming 20. Statement always is sufficient. Statement B you cannot determine anything. So option is A, I think. 1 is thing. Option 1 is sufficient to solve. Here age difference. A father plus age 4 into Kn, a mother plus age 3 into Kn. Accordingly, it will come father, mother, age, present age means it is 70. You answer is 70. Statement A is sufficient answer. B I cannot answer. So option 1 is correct. 7 faculty member or management institute frequent lounge for strong coffee and stimulating conversation. Here the statement, if they can prepare a list, otherwise very difficult because all the statements are confusing. Who came first? It is JP. Check the DG statement. Who was sitting with JC and when the JP entered? DG. Check the statement DG and JP. how many 7 of VR meet 3 member. What is the number? JC, JP, DG. Who are the last two faculty members? Clearly mentioned PK statement, JP and DG. Now the collects for snap. Here this snap questions are very, very confusing. You see the first option, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are not consistent, not at all consistent. We check option 1, option 2, option 3. So if different institute may give the different answer, but answer will come automatically 4. Because now you check one by one, you check, nothing, all are confusing. So option 4 is the correct. Question number 2. It is option 3 is the correct. ECGB. G. Bina dances. From E. Kumar sings. From B. Audience dance. From C. Concert with successful, which is given in H. So choice C. Choice C means choice C. ECGB. ECGB the answer. Direction question and 3. Who speaks the truth? Here you see A, B, C, D are very, very confusing. You make a list, otherwise cannot, answer will be wrong. Actually D is always, G generally speaks the truth. What is the relation between B and C? Second question, shared would be cannot be determined on option that does not exist in the question. If you are to use the relationship grid down above, it is clear that B or D statements could both are true, or they are the only ones defining the clear relation between B and C. By similar logic, we need information about the relationship of each person who speaks both the statements true in order to test the truth of the option in the third question. In this set, it looks of this. So accordingly, option D, the correct. D is telling A is my granddaughter, B is my granddaughter-in-law. Here the question number 4 is very clear. B a relation to C is the wife. And in 2002, according to news poll, 36% of voters are leaning towards the party Y in 2004. This figure rose to 46%, but in another survey, percentage was down to 40%. Therefore, the party Z likely to win the next election. Which of the following, if true, will seriously weaken the above conclusion? Option A, people tend to switch their votes at the last minute. It has been shown that 80% time voters belonging to party Y vote in an election as compared to 80% voters belonging to party Z. C, 35% people favor party Z. D, no one credit how the people will vote. The conclusion drawn the passage talks about a party Z being likely to win the election. Obviously, if you know that only 30% people favor party 1 as stated in option C, party Y would be expected to win the election at the estimates for how many people support. Party Y varies from 40% of worst to 46% of best. Even in the worst case scenario for party Y, party Z would not be likely to win the next election. The option C seriously weaken the conclusion. You see the snap test. In snap test, this logical conclusion is very, very ambiguous. Are not it is very ambiguous. Questions are not consistent. They are only confusing. If this type of question asked, please check, make a statement, then make a conclusion. Here same question, 35% people voted to favor the party Z. With this will seriously weaken the above conclusions. With this, the presentation is finished. If you like, subscribe, put the bell. Thank you.